Want a perfect score on the SAT grammar section? It's possible. You need to know grammar rules and strategies to use them on test day. This guide helps you get better at the SAT grammar section by giving you the right tools and skills. The SAT grammar section, called Writing and Language Test, checks if you can find and fix mistakes in English writing. You need to pay attention to details and understand grammar. But it also tests if you can make writing better, so it's about grammar and writing skills. To do well, understand the test. There are 44 multiple-choice questions, and you have 35 minutes. Questions are about different topics like stories, arguments, and articles. You need to know grammar well and be able to use it in different situations. A good way to improve is to learn how to quickly find the type of mistake, sentence structure, usage, punctuation, and use the right grammar rule to fix it. Knowing the rules isn't enough, you need to know how to use them. This guide has examples and exercises to help you use grammar rules in different situations so you'll be more accurate and faster. Time is important on the SAT grammar section. You have less than 1 minute per question, so you need a plan to decide which questions to answer first and how to use your time. This guide has tips to help you use your time wisely so you can answer each question carefully. This guide also talks about the English grammar topics that are often on the SAT, like subject-verb agreement and pronoun usage. Learning these topics will help you get a better score. Practicing is important for the SAT grammar section. This guide has exercises and practice tests to help you improve and feel confident. Practicing will help you learn the types of questions on the test and understand English grammar. If you have a good plan, understand grammar rules, and practice, you will get a better score on the SAT grammar section. This guide helps you reach that goal by giving you the knowledge and skills you need. To get even better, add advanced techniques and personalize your study plan. Knowing the test format and question types is important. Looking at old SAT grammar sections helps you find common topics and question types so you can get ready for them. This guide explains the question types and gives you tips for each one. Being able to edit well is also important. You need to know why one answer is better than another. This means you need to understand the small details of the language. This guide has exercises that make you think about clarity, conciseness, and style, which are important for choosing the best answers. Getting feedback is important for a perfect score. This guide explains why the answers are right or wrong. This helps you find your strengths and weaknesses so you can study the areas where you need to improve. This guide also talks about having a positive attitude. SAT grammar is hard and you will make mistakes. But if you keep trying and use the right strategies, you can get better. This guide encourages you to learn from your mistakes and have a good attitude about practicing and improving. This guide knows that it's important to take care of yourself while studying. Talks about managing stress, healthy study habits, and staying motivated. Gives you tips for creating a good study environment and staying focused, so you can get ready for the test feeling prepared and calm. Getting a perfect score on the SAT grammar section means you need a good plan, practice, feedback, and a positive attitude. This guide is your partner, giving you the tools, skills, and knowledge you need to succeed. If you work hard, practice, and use the tips in this guide, you can reach your goal of a perfect SAT grammar score. Imagine the SAT grammar section as a Formula One circuit. Knowing grammar rules is like knowing the race regulations. But to win, you also need to know overtaking strategies, problem-solving techniques, have a team of mechanics giving you feedback, error analysis, and stay calm under pressure, time and stress management. Keywords and grammatical constructions to memorize. Subject-verb agreement, he is, they are. Pronoun agreement, the student needs their book. If student is generic. Parallelism, running, jumping, and swimming. Modifier placement, quickly he ran. Punctuation, learn the rules for commas, semicolons, etc. Practical tips. Mnemonic techniques, create acronyms or rhymes to remember grammar rules. Example, SVA equals subject-verb agreement. SAT test tips, read the question carefully before looking at the answers. Eliminate obviously wrong answers. Fun sure, choose the most concise and clear answer. Strategies to improve translation and comprehension. Regularly read texts in English. Note new words and grammatical constructions. Practice translating, also in reverse, from your language to English. Ask for feedback from a teacher or native speaker. Did you enjoy this video? If you want to dive deeper into the topics discussed, buy our book. You can find the link in the description. Want a perfect score on the SAT grammar section? It's possible.